Yes.
Who did you make this card for?
Aunt Shauna.
Aunt Shauna. Who has their birthday?
And Nana.
Does Nana? And you made her this card. And what are you doing now with your finger? This is their little shop. This is their Annika's bed and Nicholas's bed. Oops, excuse. And we're gonna walk. Can you show us where Nicholas is? This is their little playroom. We'll just turn on the lights. You can see that. And Nicholas is a little sick, so that's why he's sleeping. Right. Nikki's sleeping. Okay, can you say one time, Happy birthday, Nana?
Happy birthday, Nana.
And can you take your finger out of your nose? Great. She just showed her butt. Do you like your new dress, Annika, that you have worn? Do you remember who got you that dress? Who got you that dress? Do you know?
Aunt Shauna.
Nana and Pop-Up did. It's pretty, huh? Can you do one time spin around? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao.